Hey guys, welcome to part 9 of my Making a Discord Bot in Python YouTube series. In this video, we're going to be going over background tasks. Now, tasks were kind of changed in the rewrite version of Discord PY or the version 1 point whatever. Actually, let me check. Pip freeze. Okay, so I am currently using 1.1.1. So as of 1.1.1, this should be working, unless they change it in the future. But if you want to be exactly like this video, use version, not virgin, 1.1.1. All right, so first things first, we want to import tasks from discord.ext as well. So I'm just going to put here at the end of from discord.ext import commands. Oh my God, can I type? Tasks. There we go. So just comma, tasks, or you could just write out the line like this, from discord.ext import tasks, but why write out the entire line when you can simply do that? So now that we have it imported, we need to create our task. The way we do this is we say at tasks dot loop with the parentheses there. And within the parentheses, you can specify how long you want the loop to last, or not last, but how long in between iterations of the loop. And you can set the minutes, seconds, hours, whatever. So for this video, we're just going to do something pretty short. We'll just do like seconds is equal to 10. I don't know. And essentially, for the function header, all we're going to put is async, def, and then the name of the loop. So whatever you want to call it. So in this video, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be creating a loop that updates the status of the bot, the playing status of the bot, every, I guess, 10 seconds, right? And if you don't know how to do that, you can refer to the last video where I simply show you how to change the bot's status, or you could just, continue watching this video. Anyways, so async def, I'm gonna call this change status. Parentheses there, we're not gonna put anything in there. And we are going to leave this function empty for now. So the way we are going to create a list of statuses and loop through them is we are going to go up here and we are going to say from iter tools, or like iteration tools, import cycle. All right, that's going to be very important. Next, I'm going to create a list of statuses. I'll just say status, let's say, is equal to a list, and the list is going to contain a whole bunch of strings that I want to use as statuses. So I don't know, I'll make this status 1, status 2, whatever. We'll just have 2 statuses. And what we're going to do is we are going to put this, or we are going to turn this into a cycle using what we imported up here. So we are just going to put cycle, or here, I'll just put cycle with parentheses there that are empty, and within it, pass in a list containing the strings you want to use as your bot's status. That's essentially what we have going on up here. You can put as many or as little as you want. In this case, we are using 2. Now, what we are going to do is inside of our loop, I am going to say await client.change presence, and then we are going to say activity is equal to discord.game, where the name of the game is going to be next status. So what do we have here? We have the change presence method. As you can see here, the bracket or the parentheses here are underlined with that little green line. So within that, we are setting the activity to this Discord game object, right? And the game object is having the next item in the status cycle, or sorry, the next item in the cycle status being passed in as the game, or as the game's name. Yes, exactly. So for example, when it starts off, it'll go status 1, then status 2, then status 1, then status 2. And since the next function essentially pulls the next status from this cycle that we created up here, it will work. All right. So that is the end of creating our loop here. Last but not least, we need to actually start the loop. So up here within the onReady function, I am simply going to start the loop. I'm going to say the name of the loop, which in this case is change status. I can actually copy it. Change underscore status dot start with the parentheses there, and I will run the bot. So bot's online. We have status 1, as you can see here. Oops, just want to put that over there. And in a couple seconds, this should change to status 2. Let's see. There we go. We have status 2. Now let's just make sure it goes back to status 1 without giving us any errors or anything. Perfect. Status 1. All right. And that's about a 10-second interval. I didn't time it, but it should be 10 seconds. We could even speed this up, but I doubt that is allowed because you are essentially forcing the bot to update its status many, many times over. Let's see if this works faster. 1, 2, 1. Okay, it kind of crashed, but it was working for a second there. So yeah, you're definitely not going to want to have it on a shorter interval. Maybe it's because the bot didn't completely go offline before I restarted it and started spamming, changing its presence, or its bot status. But that's essentially it in terms of creating a loop. Let's just put this back, just so you guys can see here what the code was for the original demonstration. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, comment down below for videos you want to see in the future. I honestly thought this would take longer to make, but I don't know. I guess I was able to spend less time on it since my last video sort of went over what was happening in this change presence method here. But again, leave a like if you liked it. Comment down below for videos you want to see in the future. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification icon bell thing for updates when I post a new video. This is now the second video that I'm creating tonight, and it should be uploaded soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a good night. Bye.